of walk you through the different areas. The first place that I want to take you, of course, is your profile. But let me just show you very quickly. When we just started the call, we talked about your business snapshot, so you can always access that again by clicking on this wheel right here and going straight into your business snapshot. And this is a test account, so it's just showing you a little bit of information, but yours would show this information. You can click on anything that's underlined to get the information you're looking for. So that's how you get to your business snapshot. Let's go ahead and go over to your My Profile area. This is where you want to make sure all of the information that you need inside of your business is filled out correctly. Of course, your username, so what your handle is when you send people to your website. Do you have a W-9 on file? This is important because I believe it's over $600. You have to have a W-9 on file or you won't receive your compensation because it's taxable. That's different in different countries also, but make sure that you have a W-9 on file. Your sign-up date, your anniversary date, when your auto ship goes off every single month, whether or not you're active, who your sponsor is. So this is all the information that you'll want to fill out. Your name on your website, this can be edited. A lot of people ask this question when your videos say presented by. You can edit this information right here. So if someone goes to Jeunesse Global, your replicated website, who is it from? Is it your name? Is it your business name? How do you want that to show up? You can edit that there. The name on your checks, obviously that's important because everybody wants to get paid. So make sure that information, that's not editable because you have to call customer service to make that change so it can be verified. Of course, your billing and shipping address, all of that stuff, very important. Let's come over here to your communications profile. This is important because you want to make sure that you've selected the right information. What language do you want to be communicated to in? Do you want to receive the corporate e-blasts? Do you want to receive SMS messages? And of course, I encourage you to do that. Please select yes if you're in the US or Canada. If you're out of the country, I totally understand, and this doesn't apply to you just yet. But if you want to receive the SMS messages, select yes, and then go ahead and enter your number here. And then by checking these boxes, you're verifying that yes, it's okay. You're giving us permission to go ahead and send you a message. You can enter your Skype, Twitter, and Facebook. Once the new landing pages get done, your replicated websites get done, that information will come into play on those sites. So you definitely want to make sure those are filled out. As you can see, these are just the handles. So it's your / URL that you want to put in there. It's recommended that you change your password often. Your replicated site contact information, what do you want to show? Do you want to show your name, your phone number, and your email? Do you want to just show your name only? Just want to show your name and phone number? What is it that you want to show? So that's what shows up at the top of your Jeunesse Global page. And do you want your team to use sampling packages? You can check or uncheck this. What this does is it changes the way people can enroll into the business. So normally you would see that there are different packages. There's a Zen Body package, there's a Luminous package, there's a Sapphire package, there's the Ambassador package. There's all kinds of different ways that people can buy into the business at different price points. But when you select sampling packages, there's 3 packages, which are part-time, full-time, and big time. So that depends on how you want to build your teams and also what your upline recommends. So check with your upline for how they use their sampling packages. Your lock placements, if you're a builder, you want to make sure that this is correct. It could be automatic if you're building right and left, depending on what your position is. And then your Google Analytics. So I want to point this out because I had a lovely woman named Brenda say, can you please tell us what this is and what goes in there? So Brenda, this is for you. I want to let you know that your Google Analytics and AdWords is for tracking your replicated site statistics. Very simple to do. Just go to google.com/analytics and you can create analytics accounts. And this is, I would only do this if you're like a serious marketer and you want to know where your traffic's coming from, because otherwise it's just additional information to track. It's going to tell you what website is referring. So let's say you're posting a lot of stuff on Pinterest and you want to see if any of that is actually driving traffic to your website. So that's the type of information that you would get from there. So you'd have to set up your Google Analytics account and then enter the information accordingly down here. I know that our team is working on internal analytics, so you'll be able to see with your new replicated sites where they're coming from, if they're on an Android or an iPhone, are they on mobile, are they on desktop? What part of the world are they visiting from? So We're also internally working on making that easier, but we do offer this because some of the more tech savvy or internet savvy users want to make sure that they're in the loop and they know exactly what's taking place in their business. So by all means, you can absolutely set that up.